Lesson 11, Understanding Polynomials. So, standard form of a polynomial is to write it in descending order with the exponents. So the exponents are written in descending order. That just means your biggest exponent is first and your smallest is last, and in between it goes down by 1. So if we had x cubed plus 3x to the fourth plus 5 minus 6x squared, this is not in standard form. If we wanted to put it in standard form, we have to remember to keep the sign with each term. So I'm going to do the 3x to the fourth first, because that's the biggest exponent. And then I'm going to do the cubed, and that's a plus. And then I'm going to do the x squared, that's a minus 6x squared plus 5. So this is in standard form. So the degree of the polynomial is just equal to the degree of its largest degreed term. So in this case, this polynomial would have degree 4. So if we were to look at an example, each of these terms has a degree. So this has a degree of 4. This one has a degree of 3. This one has a degree of 1. This degree is 0. So the degree of the polynomial is just 4. The leading coefficient is just the coefficient of the first term when it is written in standard form. So if it's not written in standard form, you want to rewrite it in standard form and then find the coefficient of the first term. There is a table on page 73 that you're going to need to know. So there's, if the polynomial has degree 0, it's classified as a constant. There's one term. And classified by the number of terms, it's just a monomial. Then there's linear, quadratic, cubic, quartic, and quintic. And it's, you can have a monomial, binomial, or trinomial. If it's any more than 3 terms, they just call it a polynomial. So you do need to know the classification by degree. You want to remember those terms. And that's the end of lesson 11.